So, my sister's not here today. She's actually, I don't know where, but I decided that she's not here to do a little slime prank. Sorry. Sorry there, that wasn't me. Okay, probably was, but, sorry, that was my cousin in the background. Shut up, Ashley. God.
Why you gotta be so mean?
Okay, so, to get started with
Plus, we're gonna leave, so bye.
Bye. Alright, anyway. So, this is my sister's purple slime. Right there. It's like a purple blue. Really pretty. And I am going to tell her that I made it into this jiggly slime. So, basically, what I'm going to say is, I made a surprise. I tried my best to make this purple jiggly slime just for you. And she doesn't really like jiggly slime, so
Okay, mine's here tomorrow.
hi. Ew. So her hair. I'm trying to see, basically it's a reaction video, what she reacts, but it's also prank. So yeah, I'm gonna hide this. And a little side note, I'm using my GoPro because I think she's gonna notice if I just have something right there. Bye, didn't I say you were gonna go? Well, I'm gonna go call her. Speaking of GoPro, I'm gonna go call her upstairs, and we'll see her reaction. Mela! I'm calling her right now. Mela! Come on! I know you're home now.
Yeah.
Come here.
Let's sit back to bed.
Okay. Like a surprise. Hi. Okay. So, I want you to open this. Yeah. Okay. I want you to open that. I tried my best.
Did you make this for me just now?
Yeah, I tried my best to make you the best jiggly slime.
That's fine.
Well,
Was it with like you just made this, right?
yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. And?
Yeah, so do you like it?
Yeah. What'd you make it with? Like, what slime of mine did you make them?
Your purple one.
That was my best slime.
Sorry. I didn't use all of it. I swear. Exactly.
But
So,
at least you tried.
yeah.
So I'm good with that. I mean, I'll just keep it since you tried.
Well,
Fine, because I'll just keep it.
time.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Yeah, I hear footsteps. Dang, girl.
Sorry, I was dumping.
Okay.
Too much.
Wait a little.
Hey,
Get serious.
I
Get
love
serious. Get serious. I have something to tell you.
Yeah. But you made me this stuff.
No, I already told you that.
Oh,
But
yeah, true.
it's a prank.
Well, I did not see that GoPro. But where's my GoPro?
Okay, so here.
Hold on, let me get out. I'll be back.
It's here.
It's a prank.
My purple babe.
I kind of had some beads in it.
Thank you, everybody.
No, it's been like that.
Okay.
Did you add more?
Thank you, everybody. Yeah. Thank you, everybody, so much for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button. Tap that bell. And hit that.
First, I gotta show you my slime. Okay, can you move every slime off that table? I mean, binder.
I love it.
But I like this one. Put this on. Okay, excuse me. I'm showing them the slime I made. Help me. I can't, but since it was a prank, then you gotta have a little time for me to show you. Cause it was a prank, so it's gonna I just gotta show you how good this slime is, though.
Well, say goodbye because I think they're pretty bored.
At 5 minutes. There's a few minutes just looking at me, please.
Few seconds because look at that. We only got 7 seconds.
Okay, and
everybody
hope
so
you
much
like it.
Thank
Like
you.
and subscribe.
Bye.